DIY doers, I'm Belle and welcome to my workshop. In today's video we'll be installing the new LOKLiK Idea Studio 2.0 software. This is just going to be a quick installation video because I know some people have had troubles. So this is the website that you have to go to download the 2.0 software. Please go down to the description. I'll have a link for this in the description. Okay, so this page just tells you a little bit about what the LOKLiK Idea Studio can do. We're just going to click on download. Now if you go down, you'll see your options. We've got Windows, Mac, Android and iOS. Please select the operating system that you need. In this video, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how to download on Windows and Android. So for Windows first, let's click on download. Alright, now that it's downloaded, we can press open file, press yes. So now we're just going to run through the setup wizard. Just press next, choose where you would like the program to be installed on your PC. And now we're just going to press launch LOKLiK Idea Studio. Now this process, sign in with the username and password that you were using in the other LOKLiK Studio program, but it will ask you to change your password. So we're just going to sign in. Okay, and now we have downloaded the new LOKLiK Idea Studio software. It will take you through like a little bit of a tutorial on where things are now, so we can just run through that quickly. So we've got our canvas, our library and our My Zone here. It used to be down this side, but it's all up here in like little tabs now, which I think looks kind of neat. So over here we have our design tools. And we'll still have our layers for our images. And we've also got the flip, align, arrange, combine up here still. And we can manage our layers, group them up, ungroup them. And now we actually have a make button, which will add it to the cutting list, which is your task list up here. I don't know why they wouldn't have that as cutting list, but anyway. And you've got your little profile with more settings. You've still got your device and your help. Now, after installing this, I would actually go into your device, connect it, and then I would do the calibration again, just to make sure everything's working fine. I'm going to have another video about doing that. I don't want to keep these videos too long. I just want to have little bite-sized chunks that people can watch to get the help that they need right then and there. So that is how you install LOKLiK Idea Studio 2.0. I do want you to note though, if you go into your My Zone and your previous projects aren't there, I did this on my laptop and they weren't there, but I just shut the program down and then logged back into it and then they were there. So if that happens to you, try that. If it still happens, make sure you're using the same username and password as you did for your old LOKLiK Studio program. Now, another thing to note is that this program is actually a standalone program. So you didn't actually update the old program. So if you go into your apps folder, you'll see that you've got two LOKLiK Idea Studio programs. So this is the new one. It's got LOKLiK Space Idea Studio. This is the old Idea Studio. So you can actually delete this if you want to, but it is actually the old Studio software. And they will not be updating it, they have said. Okay, so quickly I'm just going to run through how to download this in Play Store on your Android device. Now, downloading on Mac OS and iOS should be pretty much very similar. So if we go to Android and we press download, it's going to bring up the Google Play Store. You can alternatively go into your phone and go to the Google Play Store and then search for LOKLiK Idea Studio. Okay, so now this is my phone screen. So I've just got LOKLiK Idea Studio, I typed it in and it's come up. So make sure it's LOKLiK Space Idea Studio because that's the new 2.0 version and press install. And let's open. Let's get started. Type in your So you just have to allow LOKLiK Idea Studio to go into your photos. With this, when I just logged in, I had to use my old password because my new password was too long. So I actually used my old password and it let me in. So that's interesting to note. If you guys are having trouble with that, use your old password because when you do change your new password in 2.0, you need to make it longer than your old password was. So yeah, I don't know what's going on there, but using my old password let me get in. And you've got your My Zone, you've got your library, got Canvas, and our little drop down hamburger menu. Alright, and that is how you install LOKLiK Idea Studio 2.0 on your Windows device and your Android device. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just pop them in the comments down below. I will have tutorial videos shortly about the new LOKLiK Idea Studio. So please hit that like and subscribe button to keep posted about the new upcoming videos I have for this program. Well, I hope this video helped you and you guys have a craftastic day.